Welcome to Small Talk Daily for Thursday, May 20th, 2010. This morning we're going to continue our tutorial for Seaside by reusing the edit form that we built yesterday. Right now you can log in and put a new post in. What we're going to do today is reuse that post editor to instead edit existing posts. So we'll push this aside for a moment. What we're going to do is we're going to go back to the browser. We're going to go down here to our Seaside blog category. And what we're going to pull up is the blog list UI. What we want to do is for each existing post, we want to change the render post on method so that it adds an optional, if we're logged in, menu pick for editing existing posts. So what we've done here is we've added this option here. If we have a current user in the session, we add an edit link. So let's accept this, and we're going to be warned that that method doesn't exist yet, which is fine because we have to add it. So we'll go ahead and we'll add that method, same category, put it here. So we'll do an HTML anchor with a callback to open the editor, and the link named edit will proceed because open editor also doesn't exist yet. We'll have to create that. So I'll copy that from off screen here and put that right here. And if you take a look at this, we're again going to have a problem because update post doesn't exist. Notice this call method. We're doing the same thing we did yesterday to bring the editor into existence. We're using call, same way we did yesterday, and we handed a new post. Now this update post method is really a no-op. If we go over here to storage, what we're going to do is add an actions category, and we're just going to put in a no-op of update post, and we'll have an answer self because since this is all in memory, there's nothing really happening. This would be a place where if you were going to do something for real with this, you would add in file storage, database storage, what have you. But we've now done everything we need to do. Going back to blog list UI, you notice that over here we have render post. We've now got the check to see if we're logged in. If we are, we add an edit link. If we have the edit link, you notice that it calls into existence the editor, and the way it calls the editor is through the same call mechanism we used yesterday. Let's see how that all works out. What we'll do is we'll do a Seaside open browser on server, and I'll bring my window into the view. We'll log in, and we'll put in Fred Flintstone, and we'll log in. And you notice here for this post where it says hi there, we can edit it. So we hit edit. And what I'll do is I'll change this to put a /p here. Remember that we have this rendering raw HTML. So we'll then add p new content just to see that it's here. And we'll hit save. And sure enough, there it is. Hi there, new content. It's updated the existing post. So we were able to take our existing post editor and with a small bit of code, reuse it to edit existing posts. And you could customize that to have the editor look a little different, add style or whatever. We'll get to styling and other things in future screencasts. But that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with small talk.